Let's build a grassy theme for our Spacehey profile. We'll start by grabbing the basic HTML from an unaltered profile. Right-click and select Inspect for Chrome users. Select the Elements tab and locate the body tag near the top and click. Now press Ctrl+C to copy this code. Now visit codepen.io and click Start Coding. You don't need an account for this to work. Take the HTML code you just copied and paste it in the HTML window. This is what a Spacehey profile looks like without any styling. We will return to the page we copied and get the basic styles by clicking the Source tab in your inspector. A table will appear with a CSS folder. Click and locate MyCSS. The window next to it should be full of styles. Click on it and press Ctrl+A to select all, followed by Ctrl+C to copy. Now we can paste this style into the CSS window on our CodePen workstation and wait for the magic to happen. You have now learned 90% of how to code. JK, we will keep working. We will use this as a starting point to build any theme your heart desires. Leave a comment telling us what theme you want to build. The majority of the work we will be doing will happen in the CSS file. The changes we make is going to become the style code you want to add to your profile editor to make changes. Take note of the root section as this holds all the color functionality for your page. Creating a good color palette is essential to a good design. Let me know if you'd like a separate video on color theory and other design principles. The first step we will do is find our background image. After which we can use colors from the image to build our color palette. Search the web for an image or pattern you want to use. Be sure the size is appropriate and not blurry. Aha, here is the one I want to use. Right-click the image you find and press Copy Image Address. Now locate the body tag and replace background color with background image and link the URL to the image address you just copied. I will adjust the sizing and positioning to work with whatever image is chosen. This one will cover the entire screen and remain fixed while scrolling. Perfect, so far so good, let's keep working on it. I won't be showing all the work to change the colors in this video, but I used different tones of greens from the image to correct this palette. A small swap of the root colors, and presto, everything is starting to come together. You will notice the navigation links don't refer to the root colors, so to make this even better you must locate the nav links tags in the CSS and adjust the text shadow like so. I will simply use black. That's much better. I'm still not happy with the contrast of these two headings, it's hard to see the text. We will manually adjust these two headings of About Me and Who I'd Like to Meet and change the color to white, following an exclamation point and the word important to be sure they override the original color. This is going great, except I'd like to see more of the background without making my text unreadable. To achieve this, we will locate the main tag holding most of the content and adjust the background color to white with a 50% opacity. Now I can see more of the background while keeping a good contrast with my text. But it's still a little hard to see, so we will make that 50%, 70% instead. Next we will add a few details, like adjusting these icons. There are different ways to do this, but this will work fine for our project. We will manually select out Image Icon class, and adjust the content in it to point to an image address containing a green leaf PNG, similar to how we added our background image. Looking good. Now we can head back over to the browser because I want to find a custom logo to show on our page. I know there's one here I want. If you want to see a video on custom logos, leave a comment below. We have got our image, but I don't want the white background on it, so I will show you the fastest way to make this transparent. This time right-click and choose Save Image. We will need it when we visit Remove BG and upload our photo. The software will remove the background itself, allowing you to now download a PNG version of your image. But wait, how are we going to link it to our file? Simply visit imgbb.com and upload your new image. After it is uploaded, click the preview image to open up its URL. Now do our right-click and copy image address here, in order to use it elsewhere. Back at our code pen, we can use our logo selector just like we did with our icons and change the content to this new address. Wait for the change. Just like a pro. Speaking of pro, a pro tip for anyone designing is to make sure you use a good font that fits your design. Font is incredibly important, so we will visit Google Fonts and import a custom font. Perfect. Once you have found the font you like, add it to your fonts and find the import method. Take the code from the import query and be sure to paste it at the very top of your CSS. Then locate the font family code and place that in your body tag underneath your background code. Now you are styling. This next step isn't necessary, but I will alter the profile pic to show a more cohesive design. Remember how I said most of this would be done with CSS? Well, our next step, we will need to locate a field in the profile. I will choose the About Me section. And we are going to add an image tag linked to a GIF that has falling leaves to overlay on our profile. A few style changes on the image and now your profile is coming to life. Finally, I won't go into the details here, but I wanted a little bit more movement. So I made a little code to make the profile picture look as if smoke was raising up in front of it. And there you have it. We have made an awesome, custom profile. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know. Like and subscribe if this helped, and happy coding. Add me on Spacehey